Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A42, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. And before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. You can get it in the box. It's usually between the paperwork, but if you don't want to bother, you can also use a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. And once you have it, simply pop out the tray, which will be located on the upper left side of the device. So for me, it's right over here. As you can see, once you press it in, it will pop out. So let's take that out, and there we go. As you can see, there is the tray. So you have space for a SIM card and also SD card. Now the SD card also doubles as a secondary SIM tray. So if you want to use one of those or two SIM cards, you can just place it instead of an SD card. So that's kind of how you would place it with one SIM, and there's the other space for it right over here. So I'm going to place one of each. So let's pop this one in here. And there we go. Now make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, as you can see it is for me. And the tray here is really nice, so the cards actually do not fall out of it. So props for that. But once you have it in there, simply insert it back into the device. And let's see. So there is the pin for the SIM card. Let's confirm that. And there we go. So obviously the SIM card is working, and I can see already that the SD card is working as well based on that little icon right over here. Just keep this, and there it is, SD card working as well. So that is how you insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.